Y'all can't handle this. Y'all don't know what's about to happen, baby. Zukras, Stanis, Hechvechkin. But I'm from Sweden though. Latino boy. Yalla yalla. It's every day, bro, with the emotion and flow. 5 million on YouTube in 6 months. Never done before. Pass all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next. Man, I'm popping all the shit. Got a brand new Rolex and a Metal Lambo too. And I'm coming with the crew. This is Millionaire Club, bitch. Who the hell are flipping you? And you know what kicked them out if they ain't with the crew? Yeah, I'm talking about you. You begging for attention, talking shit on Discord too. But you still hit my phone last night. It was 4:52 when I got the text to prove. And all the recordings too. Don't make me tell them the truth. And I just dropped some new configs and it's selling like a god church. Mexico is where I'm from. Chill like it's gum. I'm shooting with a gun. The test is just for fun. I use them bolt and run. Catch me at game 1. I cannot be outdone. Zane is #1. Aimword.net niggas. 2 months ago you didn't know my name and now you want my fame. Bitch, I'm blowing up, I'm only going up. Now I'm going up, I'm never falling off. Like Pax who? See me who are you? All these beefs I just ran through. Hit a million in a month, where were you? Hating on me back in West fake. Think you need to get your shit straight. Sim brought me to the top, now we're really popping on. #1 and #4, that's why these fans are all out the door. It's only at the top, so we all going. We left Mexico, now the show is all rolling. It's the Millionaire Club, bitch. We back again, always first, never last. We the future, we'll see you in the past, nigga.